beginning of this Java playlist, or yeah, whatever you can say. So let's start with Java and how Java plays a role in the current world and how we can play with Java. It is a programming language, as I already told you, or like you already know this. So it is high level language. So what is high level language? High level language means the language which human understands. So if you read here as well, a general purpose, memory safe, object oriented programming. So this is a bookish language. Yeah, I know. But let me make a very clear thing here. So high level language is the language that human understand, and low level language, which is the language that machine understand. So for example, what can be the low level language? Like think yourself, the language which machine understands. 01. Actually, machine don't understand English, Hindi, or any other language. It only understands 0 or 1. This 0 or 1, we cannot write code. Like in human, it is next to impossible thing to write the complete code in 0 1 0 1 0. So what we did, we make compilers. So those compilers converts the high level language, like what we understand, that is Java, C, Python. These are high level language. So these high level languages get converted into low level language, means 0 and 1s, so that computer can understand like what task is assigned to it. Okay, let's go forward and understand the concepts of Java, like how it is good, how it is best, or how it is better than the other languages. So the first thing what is mentioned here, write once, run anywhere. So Java is a platform independent language. Means in any of the platform you can run the Java language. Just you need the Java compiler, which is JDK, Java Development Kit. If you have JDK on your system, then you can run Java program easily without any worry. So what is JDK? We will talk later. I'll explain you in very deep, because it is very much important to understand the JDK completely and deeply, so that you can, like, even you can get better scores as compared to others if this question is asked in your exams or anywhere. Yeah. Okay. Third point is C like syntax. Wow. So it is similar syntax with C and C++. And the fourth point is bytecode and JVM. So as I coined the word JDK, Java Development Kit. So JVM is a part of it. It is called as Java Virtual Machine. Okay. So what is bytecode? So as I told you, Java is a high level programming languages. So computer directly cannot understand it. So what do? We convert the Java language into bytecode. So why this bytecode comes into the picture? So if you see, as compared to other languages, Java is very secure language due to this. So how bytecode is playing the role here? So Java code is not directly converted into 0 or 1s or binary language. What do we say? It is converted into bytecode. So now this bytecode is cannot be decrypted by anyone. It is encrypted code, which is only decrypted by the JDK. So if your code is encrypted, then no one can like make modification to your code, and that is done by JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So as I told, Java is a very robust language. When you code in Java, you will see there will be very less errors as compared to other languages, because Java tell you everything while compilation. Runtime errors are very rare in Java. In Python, it can be because there is no type safe thing. But here we have type safety, or like we have particular data type, and I'll tell you what is data type and all these things. So let's go forward. I'm very excited to tell you everything, but yeah, we have to go one by one, otherwise you will not get the things. Okay. So yeah, as I told you, unlike other languages that compile directly the machine code, specific operating system, Java converts it to bytecode. And due to this, it gets cross-platform compatibility. Means cross-platform means you can run it on Android, you can run it on iOS, you can run it on desktop, Mac OS, Windows. So they are nothing than a platform. They are operating system, and as I told you, if your system contains JDK, means if JDK can be runnable on your system, then you can easily run all type of Java code in your system very easily. Okay. Memory safety, as I told you, like there are very hard checks, so you will get very less runtime errors. And in Java, we have a garbage collection, as it is told here. So let's talk about garbage collection after some time, once you get comfortable with the Java. Object-oriented purity. This is a very, very important topic in Java. Mainly, the complete Java is based on this object-oriented programming. Yeah. And as I told you, the type safety. So Java maintain the type safety so you will not get the runtime errors. So as I told you, the Java is mainly used for building the application. So here you can see what types of application and what are the fields where Java is used. So first, enterprise software. What is enterprise software? Those softwares which are very which works on very large scale businesses or backend systems. Like what is backend? If you are not familiar with that, so backend is the thing which is not visible to the user. So if we talk about the current scenario, you are watching the video and I am making the video, but I don't know how camera is working behind the scene, how camera is capturing the single picture. Like as we see 60 fps, 30 fps. So 60 fps means 60 frames per second. So camera captures 60 pictures in a second. So how it is happening and how my camera's processor is processing all those 60 images in 1 second, how all these things are happening, I don't know. So these are the things are called as backend, which are not visible to the user, or we can say the consumer. These things are not visible to that consumer. Other than that, web application. These are the things that are visible to the user. This is nothing other than a website or web applications which we use in daily life, like YouTube, on which you are watching the video, or maybe you have downloaded it and then watching. Yeah, okay. And the scientific applications. So this is also a very big, what we can say, big area where Java is used. Android mobile apps. This is the place where we will start our journey. After Java, I'll start with the Android mobile apps so that you will get a real understanding how Java plays a very big role in applications. We will talk about this later. I'll explain you each and everything. After this, big data technology and gaming. Same as these things, at these places, Java is used at very big scale. Okay, so this is the end of this presentation and the end of this video as well. After that, we will continue with the real Java code. Without any of the PPT, I'll explain you each and everything with a coding example